First is to launch a web browser, and in this video tutorial I'll be using Microsoft Edge since it's a product of Microsoft. So look at it here, so I'll click on it. As the browser opens, visit bing.com. You can see it's Microsoft search engine. Okay, so I'll press enter for it to load. So once you are here, you can generate image by clicking on image generator, which after that you use it to create your AI video. I'll go straight to video generator by clicking on it. So on this page, just give this a prompt of your choice. So I want to create a product marketing video for a brand called Godwin Tech Yogurt. So let's now tell it to create that for us. So you can see our prompt: create a product marketing video for a brand called Godwin Tech Yogurt. All right, so the duration is 8 seconds, is fixed. You don't have the liberty to edit it. All right, so aspect ratio 9:16. Click here and select a different one depending on your choice. So let's go with horizontal here, on the assumption that I want to post this on YouTube. Okay, the video is going to generate. Priority fast. So if you want a different priority, click here and select standard, but standard takes more time. So let's go with this fast option. So after that, click on create. So this has come up with the brand marketing video, okay, for this Godwin Tech Yogurt, okay, which I would say is my brand in video. All right, because I don't have any business right now. All right, so I will click on this so that it will be in a bolder way, or I can zoom it. So let me zoom it this way. So let's play. So if you want to enable the audio, click on this.
8 grams of protein. It's smart fuel for your everyday life. Meet Godwin Tech Yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and powered by bioactive cultures. With antioxidants and 8 grams of protein, it's smart fuel for your everyday life. Meet Godwin Tech Yogurt. Creamy.
So this is something beautiful, okay? And if you want to download it into your PC, just click here and select download. Okay, so you can create different versions of what you want. All right, you can create different versions. At the end of the whole thing, you pick the one you want to use, okay, for the product marketing or any other thing you have in mind, any idea you have in mind. And look at this. This has a Copilot logo here. If you don't want that, you can replace it with your own brand. All right, maybe you have a brand logo. You can pick this video into a video editor and then use your own brand logo to replace it, and you are good. So this must not follow you everywhere you go. Okay, so that is that. So explore these, use this as it lasts, and I believe with time we have more features added into this as it is just evolving. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Thank you and see you some other time.